Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This morning I weighed myself and I was 59.85 kilos, so a net loss of 700 grams. Let's take a look at the meals to see what could have happened to explain these numbers. So I started with my fresh cheese and nectarine, with a little few nuts, walnuts, and muesli. Then I had 2 toasts with 2 hard-boiled eggs and tomatoes, a little bit of mayonnaise, so replace the butter. Same amount of calories in the butter. It's not different, but it's just I needed a bit of taste, a different taste for my sandwich. And then I had an ice cream. The first ice cream of the day, the first little ice cream after my lunch. Then at the end of the day, I had dinner, very light. So I started, not so light, with a sandwich, an ice cream sandwich, the full ice cream sandwich. I didn't borrow a few bites no, the whole thing, all right? And then I had sardines in a can. It's in olive oil. Put a lot of lemon juice on it. We had cucumber, goat cheese, 2 Rovitas, and a few grapes. And I had another ice cream to celebrate. So we're at the second ice cream, small ice cream, and 1 big ice cream sandwich. And then I realized I just have 1 ice cream left. Why leave it in the freezer? Let's have an ice cream. Let's have the last ice cream so tomorrow we can start from scratch. Today is tomorrow. And I did start from scratch because this morning I was at 59.85, which is a really good thing to be back in the 59s. So in terms of steps, I walked 1,839 steps for 8.1 kilometers. And in terms of training, I did a leg workout, which was really hard. No cardio, but the intensity of the muscle training of the weightlifting was 5 on 10. If I had done a bit of cardio, I would have been 7 on 10 yesterday. Absolutely. I'm so sore this morning, I can't walk. And I felt it during the workout that I was really targeting my little quads. So today, very good day. I just want to say, I've been in the up and down for a few days now. And yesterday, I was at 60.55. Today's 59.85. I don't get discouraged by that kind of result because I know my body, I know how weight loss works, and I know that if you don't know weight loss, you're probably going to get discouraged and give up. The fact that I ate a multiple ice cream, it doesn't really matter because in terms of numbers, it's not that high. So let's take a look at the numbers. So total calorie, 1,975 calories for the day. 295 calories came from protein. 783 calories came from carbs, and 907 calories came from fat. 701 calories worth of ice cream. That's a lot. Okay, but I did not get discouraged. I just kept going. I didn't eat more than the 3 ice cream. It's a lot already. I was pretty satisfied, to be honest. The last one was just like, I kind of wanted to finish it. I had it because it was the last one, but I didn't really need it in my life. Anyway, yesterday was a bit of a rough day, to be honest, but it's fine. It's a good day today. So yeah, I would suggest that you do averages instead of some people like to take their weight once a week, like on Saturdays, which the problem with that is very random, meaning that one day you can be like, every Saturday you can be like a certain weight, but say the Friday before you had a lot lowered, it would have motivated you maybe, or maybe not. And also the averages, you can do an average when you take your weight every day, but you can do the average, you can refresh the average every day through this file. Is amazing because I just need to refresh the file. But if you have only 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you only have 1, 2, 3 data points. So you can only do your average maybe after 3 weeks or 4 weeks, which to me is a bit long. But if you have a lot of time, go for it. Most people won't get results. So for that reason, I would say just monitor your daily calorie intake and your weight pretty much on the daily, but do averages. Don't get caught up on what was the number of the day. Just make an average of the past few days. And if I look at my average since I started, I'm at 1,585 calorie total on average. So it means it's not bad. That's why I'm having a very slow, 61.15, 59.85 in how many days now? 11 days. Like I could have done way more or not, maybe not. Maybe my body needed that kind of time to get into the 59 again. So anyways, all that to say, What I'm doing at the moment is what I like to call the maintenance at a loss. Maintenance at a gain for me is when you're maintaining, say your weight is 65 kilos every day for 4 months, okay? It doesn't fluctuate. That's a perfect maintenance. But maintenance, if you have 65.1, 65, 65.3, 65.1, 65.7, 65, 65.8, 65.3, then the maintenance is kind of more at a gain, right? It means that you're going towards gaining maybe a kilo very slowly, but you are going to gain something eventually. It's because you're not necessarily in maintenance, you're a tiny surplus. So small that it won't show a result straight away. Same thing for maintenance at a loss. So at the moment I am at a loss, meaning I go a little higher up, and then I'm kind of maintaining, because 11 days and I lost like 1 point something kilos. That's not a lot. That's maintaining and a bit of a loss. So what we're going to do today is we're going to start again for the next 8 days, and we are going to get down below 59.85 because we want to see a loss. We don't want to see a maintenance loss, right? I want to see a loss, and then I can be in a maintenance loss or maintenance when I'm at 59, at my goal weight. For now, I'm not at my goal weight, so I'm going to reach my goal weight and then maintain. So I'll see you tomorrow for feedback on today. I hope everything's good on your end and you're having a fabulous day.